the locator?
Yeah, go get the locator. That's roots or something in the top coming through the pipe right there.
So there's probably a crack in the line somewhere that the roots are coming through.
All right, so what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to locate where that is, because there's a crack in the line somewhere, and that's about 57 feet. So wherever that runs, see it all? See, now we're underwater. All right. Right here, going out of the street. There's a massive roof. We're now at a different location, Northwest 7th Court. Oh, what do we got here? More roots.
Wow.
And then it ends.
Oh, so literally right there.
It's this area right here. Alright, so it turns pretty quickly. It's all PVC. We are holding some water. Northwest 23rd. Let's see. Get this to go. Alright, so we turn.
Hello.
boostinfinite.com for terms and conditions.